In this video, I'll guide you on how to contact Coursera's support team. To get started, head over to the Coursera homepage. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under the More section, you'll find the Help option. Click on it and you'll be redirected to Coursera's Help Center. In the Help Center, type Contact into the search box. This will bring up several options. Click on the first one, which is How to Contact Coursera. Scroll down until you find the Email option, where you'll see a link to fill out the contact form. Click on this link and a new tab will open with the contact form. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering your name and the email address associated with your Coursera account. This email will be used for communication. Next, select the reason for contacting Coursera from the drop-down menu. Once you've chosen a category, you'll need to provide a subject and a description of your issue. Only the fields marked with a red asterisk are required, but you can also include additional information, such as course URLs or screenshots, to help explain your issue in more detail. You can also choose your preferred language for communication. After you've filled out all the necessary fields, complete the CAPTCHA. Once everything is ready, click on Submit. Your request will be sent to Coursera's support team. Typically, they respond within 2-3 business days. Keep an eye on your email inbox during this time, as the support team will get back to you with further assistance to resolve your issue.